In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete an invoice in Xero step by step. If you've created an invoice by mistake, sent it to the wrong customer, or simply need to remove it from your records, this tutorial will walk you through the correct way to do it inside Xero. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss an important detail about voiding invoices properly. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top menu and click on Business. From the drop-down menu, select Sales Overview and then click on Invoices. This will take you to the Invoices section where you can see all of your sales invoices, including draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, paid, and voided invoices. Next, locate the invoice that you want to delete. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you know the invoice number. For example, if you're looking for invoice INV-0024, simply find it in the list and click directly on the invoice number to open it. Now here's something very important to understand. In Xero, you can't permanently delete an invoice if it has already been approved or authorized. Instead, you will need to void it. Voiding an invoice essentially cancels it and ensures that it no longer affects your accounts, but it still keeps a record for audit purposes. This is important for maintaining accurate financial records. Once you have the invoice open, look toward the top right area of the screen. You'll see three dots, also known as the Options menu. Click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu. From the list of options that appears, select Void. After you click Void, Xero will usually ask you to confirm your action. This is because voiding an invoice cannot be undone. Review the details carefully to make sure you're voiding the correct invoice. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm by clicking the Void button that appears at the top of the page. As soon as you do that, the invoice status will change to voided. At this point, the invoice is effectively deleted from active use. It will no longer show as awaiting payment, and it will not impact your account's receivable balances. And that's it. That's how you delete an invoice in Xero by voiding it properly. Just remember, if the invoice is still in draft status, you may have the option to delete it completely. But if it's already authorized, voiding is the correct and recommended method. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to delete an invoice in Xero quickly and safely. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Xero guides coming in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.